Welcome to the channel. Welcome to Making It Affiliates. I hope you're good, guys. I hope you're great. I hope everything is fantastic. Everything is good, ladies and gentlemen. All right, if you want to make money online by just clicking some buttons on your phone and just sending some whatever, stay with me. I will show you, ladies and gentlemen, how to make money sleeping. How to make money while you sleep. Yeah, is it while you sleep? Yeah, while you are sleeping and the money comes in. Let's go. Let me show you. Let's go. As we go. Shwee. Through the website. All right, so this is what is happening here, guys. This is the website. Okay, so all you do, guys, here, you become an affiliate. Okay, you become an affiliate, meaning you join their affiliate program. All right, what are you going to do as an affiliate? You are going to promote their program. That is the only thing. You are not paying anything, you are not buying anything, you are not trading unless you decide to do it. But you are not trading, you can just promote their product or promote their website or promote their app. All right, I will show you all the links that where you will get them, and then you can promote their app, people downloading the app and start doing the thing. All right, so that's all you will do. So what happens is that you register to their affiliate program. If you want to register, the link will be in the description. Go there and register if you are interested. You register and then you get your links that are going to actually that you are going to use to actually promote their website, apps, and also anything that you will wish to promote, okay, on their website, ladies and gentlemen. All right, as easy as that. All right, how or what are you going to earn? It's not a salary. You are not going to get a salary every month, but you get a commission, ladies and gentlemen. You get a commission. A commission you get after the person who saw your link clicks the link and joins in or download the app, and then they start trading using that app or start trading using their website. And then while they are busy trading, you are earning a commission from that. Just imagine you invited 20 people and those people come in and they start trading. You start making money, ladies and gentlemen, sleeping. All right, so it's easy, guys. All you do, you just put the links out there, you spread them all over the social media or on your YouTube or anywhere you want to spread them, and then people see it and then people click and then you start making money. Simple as that. Let's go through the website because I will talk and talk. You know me, right? All right. This is the video. You can look at the tutorial there. This is the balances that you will see. This is just for European and European balances, non-European balances. In other words, if you are from other countries, your balance will be there. But if you are from Europe, yours will be there, of course. Let's go down. This is the link, your primary link that you will use over here. All right, that will be your primary link to use to promote. Okay, in other words, this link will take everyone who clicks it to their website. All right, what is good also, they've got promos. Look at this. Awesome. All right, so you don't have to create your own banner, you don't have to create your own video, you don't have to create your own whatever. They've got banners, they've got landing pages where you can just send your link and people get to a landing page and then they get to read for themselves and join and everything like that. So you've got these pictures, you can download them, you can promote using these pictures over here. All right, so also these are the incomes and everything like that. You can check that out and everything. And also there is a link here for brokers because it says affiliate.it broker. Okay, so you can promote also those who want to become brokers. You can ask questions here and everything. Learn how to make profit by using our promo materials. Okay, as I've explained, you just promote using their promo materials, which are banners and everything like that. I think they also have videos if I'm not mistaken, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, anyway, let's go to these 3 lines here, guys. All right, Okay, there are other promos here. These are a very important page that you will need to visit when you get here, because you get different links, okay? There you go, you've got that first link that says link for mixed traffic. Okay, if you want to promote, mixed traffic and everything, you just use that. It's a landing page, you use that and spread it around. And then you've got some links that are going to make people to click, that will take them to the app. Okay, they will be able to download the app for Android and also for iOS, so you can use that to actually promote it, and people click it and then they download the app and they start trading. All right, simple as that. And also this will be I think it's still your primary link. All right, I think that is it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let me just go here. This is the part that is also important. At the bottom here, you see that it says sub affiliate program. That is the program that you can also apply for, meaning when you apply, you can invite other people to join to become affiliates. Okay, all right, let me just click that. All right, but you will check it also on your own when you are at home. All right, I don't know why is it not opening now. All right, let's try it again. Okay, I think it opened. There you go. So you can apply over here, registration period, whatever, and read and understand on what actually is happening. All right, I usually encourage people, guys, to actually read for themselves, because you might think that I'm saying the right thing. Okay, all I'm doing is promoting. As you can see over here, you see here they say sub affiliate. So that is why I was saying it is a place where you can use to invite other people to become affiliates. You will be earning even from that. Maybe those people that you have invited, they are doing well there, they are inviting other people and they are training, then that person belongs to you or is under your link. You're making money also. All right guys, I think that is it. Thank you for watching, thank you for listening. If you want to join, in the description, go down there, ladies and gentlemen, and sign up if you want to become an affiliate, and let's start making money online. That will be great. All right, thank you for watching, thank you for listening. You have a fantastic day. As I always, of course, close it. Sweet.